Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we will explore what it truly means for a medical device to be HIPAA compliant, a critical aspect for operating in the U.S. healthcare market. A HIPAA-compliant medical device is one that adheres to the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA, concerning the protection of patients' protected health information (PHI), especially electronic PHI, ePHI. When these devices create, store, transmit, or process it, understanding who must comply is key. Device manufacturers are directly subject to HIPAA if they act as covered entities or business associates. For instance, by providing healthcare services like patient-specific device support or handling PHI for a covered entity. Simply selling a device without managing PHI typically doesn't bring a manufacturer under HIPAA. However, receiving PHI for treatment support can classify a device company as a healthcare provider, mandating HIPAA compliance. Safeguarding PHI involves robust administrative, physical, and technical measures. Administrative safeguards include policies and staff training. Physical safeguards mean secure storage, access controls to facilities, and device tracking. Technical safeguards are vital. Access controls limiting PHI access to authorized users. Audit logs tracking device interactions, physical security for the device itself, and secure data transmission. Patient rights are central to HIPAA. Patients can request access to their PHI, including data from medical devices. Providers must furnish this data unless specific exceptions apply. Manufacturers may share patient-specific data with patients upon request, if legally compliant. Data sharing and disclosure are strictly governed by the HIPAA privacy rule, permitting PHI use or disclosure only as allowed by law or with patient consent. If a third party, including a manufacturer, handles PHI for a covered entity, a business associate agreement, BAA, is mandatory, legally obligating them to protect PHI. Cybersecurity and ongoing compliance are continuous responsibilities. The FDA expects manufacturers to integrate cybersecurity throughout a device's lifecycle, aligning with HIPAA's technical safeguards. As noted in early 2024 discussions, robust cybersecurity remains a focal point for medical device companies under HIPAA. Compliance isn't a one-off certification, but an ongoing process of risk assessment, policy updates, and staff training. Important caveats exist. Not all medical devices fall under HIPAA. It depends on PHI handling involving covered entities or business associates. State laws might also impose stricter privacy rules. Crucially, HIPAA compliance concerns data protection through proper device use and management, not just the device itself. In summary, a HIPAA-compliant medical device operates within a system that securely manages patient data according to HIPAA's rules on safeguarding information, respecting patient rights, and controlling disclosures. If you need help with global market access, please check out Pure Global. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.